Easy and Fun!
Wow! Shall we learn uppercase letters now?